Andito na naman tayo sa nagbabagang showbiz balita. Panoorin natin ang pictures ni Maha Salvador kung saan ay malapit siyang madisgrasya sa kanyang panganganak. Panoorin natin ang video niya. Nag-upload si Maha Salvador ngayon sa kanyang IG account kung saan ibinahagi niya ang mga pictures bago siya manganak at pagkatapos manganak. At nilagyan niya ito ng caption niyang, "Exactly a week ago, I experienced an intense 30-hour labor, 12 hours without epidural, 3 hours of pushing. Then ended up having episiotomy and forceps. 2 contractions and 7 pushes later. We finally welcome our baby Maria. Immediately had 10 minutes of skin-to-skin contact with her but biglang nagka-emergency. I had uterine inversion, kaya kinailangan nilang kunin sa akin si Maria at ibinigay nila kay Rambo, who was seated helplessly next to my bed. 3 OB-GYN were there trying to put back my uterus manually, which led to blood loss of 3 to 4 liters. Then, my blood pressure went down to 60/40. Sinabihan na lang ako ng duwala ko na anytime I would have to go to the operating room for surgery. That time, sabi ko na lang sa sarili ko na I can't do anything anymore. Ubos na lakas ko. I started praying Hail Mary. Ulit kahit wala na akong lakas. And miraculously, after their last attempt, one of the OB-GYN succeeded in repositioning my uterus. Amen. Despite the challenging journey, gusto kong i-express ang gratitude ko to all the medical personnel na nandun noon, especially to the Filipino nurses who provided unwavering care and support. Ate Vanessa, Angela, Ate Gloria, Ate Christina, and Ate Beverly, thank you. My Duala Grace, thank you for everything. You did your part beyond your job. You're amazing. At ito nga ang ibinahagi ni Maha Salvador sa kanyang IG account. Recovering now. Ang swerte kong kasama ko ang pamilya ko dito sa Canada. Love you, Mama, Kirby, Martin, and Mom. See you soon, Ate Yans, Kuya, and Big Babies. Thank you. Also, Dina Babes and Yaya Lynn. To my husband, I love you. To my Maria, everything is worth it. I love you, anak. Ito nga ay binahagi ni Maha Salvador sa kanyang panganak doon sa Canada. And for more showbiz update, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share.